I know, there are people around you who constantly try to taunt you. No matter what you say, they never respond directly. They just look for ways to put you down, but the truth is, if you had learned these psychological tricks earlier, maybe things wouldn't have reached this point. They would be dealing with you respectfully right now. And they would value your presence. It's still not too late. If you understand every single point in this video, you will completely flip their game. I'm about to tell you things that the top 0.01% experts know. Insights that are so rare that ordinary people don't even know their names. Step 1. The biological power. In social hierarchy, respect is not gained by asking for it. It is earned through biological signaling. When someone taunts you, and you respond with a nervous smile, your brain labels them as the predator, and you as the prey. Science calls this the winner effect. From today, whenever someone tries to put you down, don't get angry. Just look into their eyes for 2 extra seconds, and stay silent. This uncomfortable silence creates stress in their mind. They start to feel that there is some hidden strength inside you that they cannot see. Step 2. The law of scarcity. Economics says, anything that is always available loses its value. People put you down because you are always there, available to tolerate their behavior. Bring mystery into your life. Don't tell them what you are learning or what you are doing. When your success appears suddenly in front of them, their mind will experience cognitive dissonance. They will feel uneasy because they will realize they made a huge mistake by underestimating you. Step 3. The social kill switch. In psychology, there is a technique called metacommunication. The next time someone taunts you, don't laugh at their joke. Instead, ask them directly, did you say that to put me down? Or are you actually this insecure? This question works like a mirror. The moment you expose their disrespect, their power disappears. They become defensive, and in the social game, the one who becomes defensive loses. The harsh truth of philosophy is, the world respects power. Take your skills and your work to such a high level that their entire existence depends on your yes or no. When you become someone they need, respect will automatically appear in their tone, because a person never puts down someone they cannot live without. This kind of knowledge is not for everyone, and YouTube might not recommend my channel to you again. So make sure to like and subscribe, so my videos keep reaching you, and you never lose this psychological edge. Remember, people behave with you the way you allow them to. Starting today, set your boundaries. Be the person who is too valuable to be ignored.